If you're looking for a note-taking app that can help you stay organized and focused, you might want to check out Reor. This AI-powered tool offers some really amazing features that can improve your productivity. Reor allows you to have a conversation with your notes, using AI-powered answering and semantic searching to help you recall information. Reor's approach, based on Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, makes it feel like an extension of your own brain, a digital companion that helps you organize, remember, and learn from your thoughts and ideas. The best thing, it's completely free to use, open source, and designed to run locally on your machine. This means that all the AI-based features are powered by local AI engines like Ollama, which keeps everything you do private and secure. You don't have to worry about sharing sensitive info with anyone or compromising your data. It stays right where you want it to, on your own computer. Plus, Reor's markdown editor lets you format your notes in a way that feels natural and intuitive to you, using an interface similar to Obsidian. As always, a detailed guide is available in the description below, where you can find all the links and step-by-step instructions summarized for your convenience. First, get Ollama installed on your machine if you haven't already. Ollama is the framework that allows you to run large language models on your machine. It's super easy to get set up. Just click the download button and you're good to go. To verify that Ollama has been successfully installed on your Mac, look for the llama icon in the menu bar. This indicates that Ollama is ready for use. One of the great things about Ollama is its extensive library of models that can be easily downloaded from their website and used locally. For instance, Meta's Llama 3 model can be quickly deployed using the command Ollama run Llama 3 in your terminal, allowing you to start interacting with it straight away. If you're new to Ollama or need guidance on downloading and working with models, don't worry. I've actually created a dedicated video explaining everything step by step, which can be found in the video description below. Next, head to the Reor website, click on Downloads, and choose your operating system. For me, it's Mac ARM, which is for Macs with Apple Silicon chips like M1, M2, or M3. Install it like any other software you download from the web. When you open Reor, you'll see a simple setup screen. First, pick a folder on your machine where all the notes will be stored. I'm creating a new folder called My Vault. If you've been using another markdown-based note-taking app like Zettler or Obsidian, you can reuse the same vault. Reor supports using different embedding models to analyze and connect your notes. These models are AI engines that convert text into numerical representations or vectors, which lets the app understand relationships between different pieces of text. This is what enables features like automatic note linking and semantic search. You can even add custom embedding models, but for now, let's just stick with the standard choice. Finally, configure your large language model. Reor integrates perfectly with Ollama, so you'll see a list of all your locally downloaded Ollama models in this drop-down list. Choose one that suits your needs. There are also options to connect LLMs from OpenAI or Anthropic, but keep in mind that doing so will compromise some privacy since you'll be sharing your notes data with a commercial AI. And that's it! Wait a few seconds until Reor is ready to go, and then you can start taking notes. Reor stores your notes just like Obsidian does, as markdown files. You can check this by opening Finder on Mac or Windows Explorer and seeing that the welcome note is stored as an .md file inside your chosen Vault folder. This means you have full control over your notes, unlike some other solutions like Notion or Flowy. If Reor isn't the right fit for you, no problem. You can move on to another app and keep all your notes, which will remain stored as markdown files on your machine, ready to be picked up where you left off. To create a new note, click the New Note icon on the left panel and give it a name. A new markdown file will be created for you. Now start typing your thoughts or let the AI take the reins. To do that, simply press the spacebar and ask Llama 3 or another Ollama model of your choice to write for you. For example, you can ask it to write down a note on taking notes in Reor. After a few seconds, the AI will generate some text for you, which you can then insert into your note and make your own. If, like me, you were too eager and hastily inserted the generated text before it was complete, don't worry. You can still refine your note by selecting the existing text. Simply ask the AI to continue writing or fix any issues with the current text. It will understand the context of your note and generate additional content for you. Once you're happy with the revised text, just click Replace to seamlessly integrate it into your note. To demonstrate another feature, I've created a new note with a fictional short story about a creature called Luminara. Let's dive into the chat function. I'll ask the AI to tell me more about what a Luminara is, and you can see how it uses my original short story note as context for the conversation. The AI does a great job of explaining the concept based on the story I've written. You can then engage in further discussion with the AI, asking follow-up questions just like you would with ChatGPT. However, unlike those external models, this chat is local, private, and highly informed, because your local AI now has access to all your notes, including the one we are using as context here. This means it can draw upon a rich understanding of your thoughts, ideas, and experiences as you chat with it. In addition to chatting with your notes, Reor also allows you to search within your notes using the search symbol on the left panel. For instance, if I search for train, it will intelligently find relevant instances of text in my workout plan note. This is not a basic keyword search like you might be used to. This is a semantic search, which takes into account the nuances of language and context. To put it simply, semantic search understands the intent behind your query and the broader context in which you're searching. It doesn't just look for exact word matches. Instead, it understands the meaning and purpose of your search to provide more accurate and relevant results. For example, when I typed train, Reor didn't just show me notes containing the word train, although that might have been a good starting point. Instead, it revealed all sorts of text chunks related to training and exercise, even though they didn't contain the exact phrase. This is because Reor's AI understands that in this context, train can also mean workout or exercise. And so it returned notes that were relevant to those concepts, even if they didn't use the word train exactly. Reor seamlessly links your notes to each other, using contextual relevance to create an intelligent network of ideas. Here's how it works. As you write new notes, they're automatically chunked and embedded in Reor's internal vector database. The AI connects related notes to each other via vector similarity, creating a web of connected thoughts and ideas. Leveraging the power of large language models, Reor's Q&A capabilities enable RAG interactions with your entire body of notes, and with semantic search, you can find what you're looking for in seconds. Initially, since my notes are still limited and unrelated, Reor will start linking them all together. But as I help the AI along by creating explicit connections, it'll get even smarter. To do this, you can create inline links just like in Obsidian. Surround the text with double square brackets, like this. Now, not only is this note linked to the welcome note, but it's also prominently featured at the top of the related notes sidebar, indicating that Reor now considers it a high-priority idea worth exploring further. By actively linking your notes together, you'll see Reor get increasingly effective in surfacing relevant connections and ideas. In conclusion, Reor is a game-changing tool for anyone who takes notes regularly, whether it's for work, school, personal projects, or simply staying on top of your life. By harnessing the power of AI while safeguarding your data and keeping it private, Reor empowers you to stay organized, focused, and productive with ease. So give Reor a try and let me know what you think of it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll join me soon in my next video.